St. Simon's Island, it was mostly sunny, 81 degrees. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Spalding County in west-central Georgia, southeastern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north-central Georgia, south-central Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Zatella, or near Griffin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Griffin, Hampton, Lovejoy, Brooks, Woolsey, Sunnyside, East Griffin, Highland Mills, Toalaga, Experiment, Bertie, Vaughan, Inman, Rover, Bonanza, Luella, Atlanta Motor Speedway, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Lake Horton and Zatella. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KEC 80